So I'm pinned down. I'm in a very bad position as a female. What do I do from here? The first thing is, if you've been taken down to the ground, we want to start being able to use our feet and use our hips, just like what we would do in jiu-jitsu, to be able to move the body away. Now, the way in which I'm going to do that is I'm going to do something called a hip escape. So I want to apply pressure down. I'm going to use my heels to apply pressure down and lift my body up. As I do that, I'm going to hip out so that I can get to this point where one leg is on the inside, the other leg is over here. So this is my knee shield. So I'm getting that knee in position here. That's gonna allow me to get my foot in the hip. Remember, I'm trying to create distance away from him. He's stronger right here, but my legs can help offset the power of his upper body. So I'm moving away. I'm getting back. Once I can create enough space to get my hands in front of me to protect against anything that he's trying to rain down on me, if he's trying to hit me, whatever, I wanna protect my head. I wanna come here and I wanna use this foot not to kick him in the face. His head is like this little itty bitty target compared to his body. I wanna use my feet to push, especially this one. This one's gonna stay in the hip. The hip pressure stops him from moving forward. If I don't have this hip pressure, he's just gonna come back over the top. I'm gonna be in a bad spot. So the hip pressure is here. I'm using that foot to kick or to press. From here, I'm coming up to my elbow, up to my knee, and now we're in a little bit better position. It's still not a great position for me, but hopefully I've done some damage, and at least I'm facing him and getting off the ground. Your number one concern as a female is not to be stuck on the ground. You have to get up if you want to survive.